Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the metal properly because adhesion depends on a clean, rough surface. Use a degreaser to remove oil and then sand with 80-120 grit until you see bare metal. This gives mechanical grip. Once done, wipe with solvent, dry thoroughly, and blow off residual dust so the glue bonds evenly. Make sure to mask surrounding parts to avoid accidental contact, and check fit of parts now to confirm alignment before you mix the adhesive. You mix the metal repair glue precisely because strength relies on correct proportions. Follow the label ratio and mix on a disposable surface. Apply a thin, even bead to one mating surface. Too much filler weakens the joint and too little leaves voids. Once applied, bring parts together, press to expel air, and secure with clamps or fixtures. Make sure to position supports so the joint carries load correctly while the adhesive sets for the full cure time specified. You finish by removing clamps only after the adhesive reaches full cure, because premature stress can weaken the repair. Then sand or file excess material, blend edges, and protect with primer or paint to prevent corrosion. Once done, slowly test the joint under low load to confirm strength. If the bond fails, don't panic. Clean both surfaces completely, re-roughen with sandpaper, and reapply following exact mixing and clamping procedures. This is the key troubleshooting step to recover a failed repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.